Let's solve this problem. Okay, this problem came to CBSE exam 2012. Okay, so here we can take LHS. LHS is what? Tan inverse cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Correct. Cos x can be written like tan inverse sin pi by 2 minus x. Correct. And here this sin x can also be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so into the next step we can do like this: tan inverse 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. Correct. And same thing here also can be done. This is nothing but 2 sin square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Correct. That is okay, right? There is no issue. Now, and this can be done like this. Okay. Now this 2 got cancelled. Correct. And this square and this one can be cancelled. So this is nothing but cos by sin. This is cot. Right. So tan inverse cot pi by 4 minus x by 2. And cot can be written into tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. Correct. So if you subtract pi by 2 to this and this will become plus, right? So this will be like something tan inverse tan then pi by 4 plus x by 2. Correct. Right, there is no issue. Now this is nothing but pi by 4 plus x by 2. And this is what is your RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Correct. So I hope this is clear, right? A step by a step solution. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.